Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update a Django project using pip and requirements files, full guide step by step clearly. To update a Django project using pip and requirements files, begin by accessing your project directory. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your project. Activate your virtual environment if you are using one. This can typically be done by running the command source vend/bin/activate on Unix or vend/scripts/activate on Windows. Next, locate the requirements.txt file within your project directory. This file lists all the dependencies for your Django project. Open the requirements.txt file in a text editor. Take note of the current package versions listed in this file. To check for available updates, you can use the following command, pip list outdated. This command will show you which installed packages have newer versions. Once you've identified the packages that need updating, it's time to modify the requirements.txt file. You can update the package versions manually or use a tool like piptools. To update the packages manually, edit each line to reflect the desired version. Alternatively, if you use piptools, run the command pip compile upgrade requirements.in. This command will regenerate the requirements.txt file with updated package versions. After updating the requirements.txt file, it's time to install the new package versions. Run the command pip install our requirements.txt. Pip will now go through each package listed in your requirements file and once the installation process is complete, confirm that the packages have been updated successfully. You can do this by running piplist again or checking the requirements.txt file. To ensure everything is working correctly, run your Django project. Use the command python manage.py run server. Watch for any errors or issues that may arise due to the updates. If everything is functioning as expected, you have successfully updated your Django project. Finally, consider committing your changes to version control if you're using a system like Git. Remember to document the changes made, especially if you updated significant packages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.